Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be hard, even as you get older. Seniors with Spotless Homes follow simple daily habits that make cleaning easy. From picking up things as you go to getting everyone in the house to help, these small steps keep your home neat without much effort. In this video, we'll share 6 easy habits that will help you keep your home clean and organized. Let's get started. Lesson 1: Never leave a room empty-handed. Think about your daily life. Every time you walk out of a room, there's always something that could be picked up or moved. It could be a dish, a book, a piece of trash, or even clothes that are out of place. Seniors with clean homes have this habit. They never leave a room without taking something with them. It's a small action that makes a huge difference. By doing this every time, they prevent messes from building up, and their homes stay neat without much effort. Now, let's look at the downside. If you don't pick things up when you leave a room, they start piling up. Those dishes on the counter, shoes scattered on the floor, or that piece of trash that you ignored last time, it all adds up. What happens then? Cleaning the house becomes overwhelming, and it feels like a huge task you can never finish. The mess piles up, and before you know it, your home feels cluttered and chaotic. It's frustrating, right? Start by picking up something every time you leave a room. It can be as simple as putting away a cup or throwing away a piece of trash. It only takes a second, but it will stop clutter from taking over your home. The more you do this, the more natural it becomes, and soon your house will always feel tidy. Don't wait until the mess gets out of control. Take action now and make it a habit to leave every room with something in hand. Lesson 2: If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it right away. Think about the small tasks in your day. Maybe you see a piece of paper lying on the counter or a dish that needs to be put away. Seniors who keep their homes spotless follow a simple rule: if it takes less than 2 minutes, they do it right away. Whether it's wiping down a counter, putting shoes away, or tossing something in the trash, they handle it as soon as they see it. This prevents small tasks from piling up and turning into bigger chores later on. Now, think about what happens if you don't follow this rule. If you keep putting off little things like cleaning the dishes or picking up a mess, it doesn't take long before it all adds up. One task becomes 2, then 3, then a whole list of things that feel overwhelming. Eventually, you'll have a huge cleaning job on your hands that takes hours, instead of just a few minutes. Start doing the small tasks as soon as you see them. If something can be done in 2 minutes or less, handle it immediately. This will keep your house tidy and stop small messes from turning into big problems. Over time, you'll notice that your cleaning takes less effort because you're staying on top of it. It's a simple rule, but it will keep your home looking neat without much stress. Don't wait. If it's quick, do it now. Lesson 3: Reset house before bed. Think about how your home feels when you wake up. Do you want to start your day with clutter everywhere? Seniors who keep their homes spotless have a simple habit: they reset their house before bed. This means taking just a few minutes to tidy up the living room, put dishes away, or pick up things left around the house. It doesn't take long, but it makes a big difference. When they wake up, everything is already in place, and their home feels fresh and organized. Now, if you don't reset your house at night, what happens? You wake up to a mess. Clothes, dishes, and papers are scattered around, and the first thing you see in the morning is clutter. This can start your day off on the wrong foot, making you feel stressed and unorganized. When you wake up to a messy house, it feels like the chaos of yesterday is carrying over into your new day. It sets a bad tone for everything else you do. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes before bed tidying up. Put things away, straighten up your living spaces, and make sure everything is in its place. This simple habit can make mornings feel less stressful and give you a fresh start each day. It's easy and quick, but it sets you up for a more peaceful and organized morning. Remember, a clean house at night leads to a better day ahead. Lesson 4. Keep the most used space clutter-free. Think about the room you spend the most time in. It could be the living room, the kitchen, or your bedroom. Seniors who keep their homes spotless make sure the space they use the most is always clutter-free. They know that keeping their main areas clean helps them stay calm and focused. Whether it's a tidy kitchen counter or a clean sofa area, they keep these spaces clear so they can relax or work without distractions. Now, think about what happens if you let the most used space get cluttered. You end up with a kitchen full of dirty dishes, a couch covered in clothes, or a table stacked with papers. It becomes harder to relax or even use the space for its purpose. A messy space can make you feel stressed, overwhelmed, and disorganized. It can also make the whole house feel dirty, no matter how much you clean other rooms. Focus on the areas you use most and keep them clean. Make it a habit to clear up these spaces daily, whether it's wiping down the kitchen counter or putting away the remote control. The less clutter in the room you use the most, the easier it will be to feel relaxed and comfortable. Keeping it clean doesn't take much effort, but it will make a big difference in how your home feels. Remember, a clean and organized space will give you peace of mind, and it will make the rest of your house feel more manageable. Keep your main spaces clear, and your mind will feel clear too. Lesson 5. Embrace daily maintenance. Seniors with spotless homes don't wait for mess to grow, they clean a little every day. This is called daily maintenance. It means doing small cleaning tasks regularly, like sweeping the floor, wiping the table, or making the bed. These simple habits stop the mess before it becomes too big. Instead of spending hours cleaning once a week, they spend just a few minutes each day. It keeps their home clean all the time without stress. Now think about what happens if you ignore daily cleaning. Dirt and dust start to build up. Dishes stack in the sink. Clothes pile up on the chair. Before you know it, the mess becomes too much, and cleaning feels like a big, tiring job. You may even feel lazy or frustrated. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. And in old age, having too much mess can be unsafe. It increases the chance of tripping or falling. Start small. Set 10 to 15 minutes every day for light cleaning. Make your bed in the morning. Wipe the bathroom sink after using it. Do one load of laundry instead of waiting for a mountain of clothes. These tiny tasks take little time but make a big difference. Daily maintenance makes your home feel fresh every day and keeps big cleaning jobs away. Remember, cleaning a little now saves you a lot later. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and your house will always look great. Lesson 6. Involve the entire household. Keeping a house clean isn't just one person's job. Seniors with spotless homes know that involving everyone in the household makes cleaning easier and faster. They make sure everyone, whether it's family, a partner, or even roommates, does their part. This can mean taking turns with chores or having specific tasks each person is responsible for. When everyone helps, the house stays clean, and no one feels overwhelmed by all the work. Now, imagine trying to do all the cleaning by yourself. You're the only one picking up after everyone else, doing all the laundry, and wiping down the counters. It's exhausting, right? Not only does this make cleaning feel like a never-ending task, but it can also lead to frustration and burnout. You might start feeling resentful or like you're doing all the work while others relax. Over time, this can cause stress and even damage relationships, making the whole home environment tense. Get everyone involved. Start by making a list of simple chores, then assign them to different people in the house. It can be as easy as one person doing the dishes, another person vacuuming, and someone else taking out the trash. Make it a routine where everyone pitches in for 10 to 15 minutes a day. This will not only keep your home cleaner but also make everyone feel like they're part of the team. When everyone helps, maintaining a clean home feels easier and more manageable. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Don't try to do it all on your own. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with more practical advice on keeping your home clean, organized, and stress-free. Remember, small daily habits lead to big results, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Also, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos that can make your life easier. Keep your home neat and your mind clear, and we'll see you in the next video.